Hi, my name is Dilnozа, my name is Sharipova, I am 21 years old, I live in Moshe district. I am currently studying in 4 years at Club University Автоном Abdullah faculty, Philological and Journalistic Department Linguistic. I really like English language and I want to speak English fluently. This has been my dream a long time. And I participated in many courses, but I was not satisfied. Finally, over the internet, I found one book, and by it's interesting book, and I can learn another things there. I recommended this book for you. You can find your dreams there. Bye.
худи ҳозир фармоиш диҳед 555 81 31 31 www.onebook.tj